This is John, W9EHU, and this is going to be part 3 of rebuilding my HT37 Helicopter's transmitter. And today I'm going to be building the high voltage capacitor replacement in this HT37. And of course, if you've seen part 2, part 2 was rebuilding the 300 volt supply, and this is part 3. All the capacitors will be on a circuit board and be mounted inside of the HT37. They replaced the two great big filter capacitors that's in there with computer grade capacitors, smaller size. Okay, so what I can do here is, I don't have it laying out here right now, but these capacitors, these particular ones, are 1 inch in diameter, and 1 5/8 inch high, 1 5/8 high. They're 225 microfarad at 450 volts, and we're going to be putting them on. We're going to put them on these on this circuit board here. There'll be four in series with equalizing resistors, and that'll mount inside of inside the HT37. That'll give me give me 55 microfarads of capacitance of filtering, and 1800 volts working volts. The old ones in there with 2 in series were giving you 10 microfarads of filtering, not very much. So this is way higher. And of course, the voltage, the peak voltage, is going to be better too. So I'm going to show you how to put the board together real quick, and then we'll go on from there. So let me get the camera set up. I'm looking at the workbench here so you can see what I'm doing. So I'll be with you in a second when I change the camera here.